One of the main reasons I love my Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix is that it's independent from a phone. So if I want to navigate somewhere, I don't need my phone. I just go here onto the start-stop button and go down to navigate. From here, I can search for a point of interest, something around me, or I can even use some coordinates or simply use the map. But as the watch is tiny, it might be sometime hard to use. And if you have a phone with you, that might be handy to simply point where you want to go with your phone. By the way, if you want to navigate through the watch and not the phone, you can see the video on the upper right corner, and I will help you with that in a very detailed video. So here what we will do is to use the Garmin Explorer app, this one. The Garmin Explorer watch is basically about the same thing as the Garmin Connect app. Just do some different things, but what I mean is that you download it, you turn it on, and you sync it with your phone, and that's it. So when you go into the Garmin Explorer app, you got the map. So the blue arrow just right here is me, and all the trail that you can see is the one I did in the previous days, month, or years. And well, you can simply hit anywhere on the map where you want to go. So if, by example, I want to go there at Trois-Rivières, and I will go into that, for example, residential district. So I will hit the point on the map, simply just like that. I hit my finger on it, and I've got that option just down here. And look, when I press navigate, it will take less than 1 second, and my watch will give me the option to navigate to that place on bike, by walking, hiking, well, tennis. It's your favorite sport, so of course I will not go there by playing tennis. I would go there on bike, for example, and well, it will create an itinerary to go there as if I had selected with the watch. Basically, the only thing that it does is that when you hit that point with your phone, it sends the coordinates to the watch, and then the watch do its own way. You cannot create an itinerary with the Garmin Explorer app. You can create some point and some waypoint, but you can't create an itinerary. You can only send point to the watch, and the watch will calculate the best way by itself. Actually, it is still calculating, but if we go down, we may have an idea to where to go. It will tell me, well, go into that direction to reach the next path, but actually, as it's not completely calculated, the arrow is white. It will be blue when it will be done. I've got my elevation plot. I know that I will need to ride for 183 kilometers, and well, that's the elevation plot, so I know where I will climb and where I will go down. Then next to it, I've got the estimated distance remaining, and the ETE and ETA. ETE is the estimated time remaining to cycle, and the ETA is the estimated time of arrival. Actually, there is nothing because I am stationary. So if I would start moving, it would use my average overall speed to know what time I would arrive. Then, what do we have here? Yes, we finally have the path. So it tells me to go into that direction to reach the next trail, and then I will be able to follow that trail. And if I come here, press and hold the menu button and go into turn by turn, I would have an idea of the road that I would use. Or I could also, if I go back here and on the map, press and hold, pan and zoom, I can zoom out to see on the map where I am going, and I would see the blue line, which is the road that I would follow. Also, if you want to use some specific road, well, you can't say I want to use that specific road, but you can go into that will be bike setting. Bike setting. So that's bike setting because I am biking, but if you are walking, it will be walk setting, and any of activity you are then setting. and you can go down here to routing. And from here, you can select the type of road you want to use. So do you want to use a road cycling, motorcycling, car, the fastest route possible, any route it is, ATV off-road, mountaineering, hiking, run and walking. So yes, if you are walking, you don't want to use the car road. Of course, you will want to use the best trail, maybe in the forest, or well, the best one you can use by walking. And anyway, you select the kind of roads you want, and you also got popularity routing. So that is based by the Garmin community, and method. Yeah, you can minimize distance, minimize time, or use a route that got the less ascent. And you can also avoid toll road, major highway, unpaved road, ferries, and Narrows Trail. And yeah, that's it. You hit it on your phone, and then you go on your watch. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.